morning sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala si Vervin. Ito ang aking first vlog. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Baguio. As you can see, matagal kaming magbabakasyon dito for 5 days, courtesy of my wife who is working at Film Live. So this rest house is belong to Film Live, and this is our home for 5 days. Tara, bisitahin natin at igagala ko kayo sa lugar na to. Okay, ito pala yung way papuntang Camp Janhay. From our tutuluyan, you can see the road going to Camp Janhay. So very accessible at malapit sa mga tourist location ang aming tinutuluyan. So tara, pasok tayo. Lamig. Okay, this rest house pala, sa mga rest house na yan, for the non-executive employees. Okay? And this big house, the big house naman, ay for executive employees of AIA Film Live. And tara, pasok ka sa garden. May garden pala sa likod. Ito yung executive mansion for executive employees. I want to look the garden. Expert kami pusa, guide namin. These are the garden from the back of the executive house. Malamig po ngayon, nilalamig po ako. Plants here. So medyo malawak yung property.
Cut.
Okay, this is going to the back of the golf course ng Baguio. Baguio Country Club. So maraming pine trees. Saka masyadong malamig dito sa taas. Okay. There's a place here that you can stay. You can see the view. Okay, so far hanggang dito muna ang ating vlog. Till next time. Thank you for watching.